In this video, I'm just going to show you how to add this contract address into Metamask. Currently, VERY contract address was deployed, and so now you can actually add it to your Web3 wallet so that whenever the token will be listed, we are just going to be trading it automatically from Metamask. The team has just released the contract address, so that is what I'm going to be showing you right here in this video. So what we are going to be importing into our contract address is this. We are going to be importing we are going to be adding it to our Metamask. You can also add this to your OKX wallet if you have it. All right, so we are going to be making use of this. We'll add the network name, the RPC, and then this is the chain name, and then this is the VERY. In case you see it anywhere, this is the contract, this is the mainnet name. So we are going to be importing it right here. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and let's get started. So in order to add the VERY Mainnet to Metamask, here is the interface. Ensure that you update your Metamask first of all right, and then you head over here. You just tap on this button you see right here. Just tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up this. Just scroll down to where you have this add a custom network. Okay, you click on it. As soon as you tap on it, these are the information that you are gonna be imputing. You are gonna be imputing all of these informations. So we'll head over to our notepad where I posted the informations, and I'll be copying them one after the other. And kindly ensure that you copy this as well. Okay, now the network name that I'm gonna be inserting is VERY Mainnet. That's the network name that I'm gonna be using. So I'll go back to the app and insert here VERY Mainnet. Then I'll go back and click on RPC. The RPC you can see here is this. This is the RPC that I'll be copying. You copy it, then go back to the site, insert the RPC right here. You insert the RPC right here. I'll be dropping all the information right at the video description. Just go ahead, go over to the video description and copy them one after the other. All right, copy them one after the other. Come here, insert them, go back to the same place, copy the chain ID, insert here. You copy the symbol of the token, insert here, and copy the block address and insert here. Okay, they are all right here. These are all the informations that you are gonna be copying. Okay, I'll be dropping all of these informations right at the video description. Ensure that you copy them and insert it for you to be able to import this token to your Metamask so that you can be able to transfer and receive it or buy from the black market. All right.